You are on the God's channel. Smile. You are on the God's channel. Yeah. Beloved Pastor Bambi, smile. You are on the God's channel. Aaron, smile. You are on the God's channel. The best Jesus in town. Thank you, Jesus. Sister, smile. You are on the God's channel. Yeah, God bless.
God bless.
Sister Paula, what is your name? Philippa, smile. You are on the God's channel. Sister Tina, smile. You are on God's channel. Hello, dearest friend, smile. You are on God's channel. God bless. We enjoy our coming here. We thank you. God bless. Yeah. Smile, Brother Gary. You are on God's channel. Samuel, smile. You are on God's channel. Amen. And you too, Chantel. You will be in YouTube, yeah?
Yes, I'm famous.
Yeah, you will be. You're famous because of Jesus, yeah? Smile, well, you're on God's channel. This will appear in YouTube.
God's channel.
Yeah, God's channel, YouTube. Smile, Pastor Isabel. Mother Jude, smile. Olive, smile. Ate.
Okay, kumakain ako.
Okay, God bless. Anthony. God bless. Pula. Sister Ging. God bless. You will be in YouTube.
Everybody can have your attention, please. Okay. At 10:45, we're going to have tea and coffee still here, but we are not allowed to use any other rooms apart from the main chapel, okay? Children, you're not allowed to go to the kids' room or anywhere apart from the place where, and we can have our picture taking outside as well. So we still have time to kind of bring everything down, okay? And then we will meet at the chapel. That's the only place we're allowed to go.
You will be in YouTube. Jesus Miracle Ministry Camp 2014. Time 14 to 15 August. God bless. Daniela, you will be in YouTube. This is God's channel.
Hi.
Oh, the young people. Daniel. Yeah, nice. DJ, smile. You will be in God's channel. YouTube. RJ. Smile. Enjoy. John. Smile. Philippa and Aaron. God bless.
Did our own bag. Makikidaan lang po ako.
But they were angry, remember? Because we didn't eat their food. So last year, remember?
Honey.
Because We didn't eat their food.
Smile at me. You will be in YouTube, God's channel. Smile, Sister Remy. Nanay, God bless. Yeah. God bless. Sister, God bless. Sophina again. God bless. Finally, the family of Brother Anthony and Annabelle. You will be in YouTube. Jesus Miracles Camp, 14 to 15 of August. Thank God. Almost done. God bless. This is my family. This is Minerva and Arnel. God bless. Turn back to my seat. God bless.
Alam ba, tinulungan lang kayo ng blue team ni RJ.
Ayaw ba nung daw coconut water supply?
They wish, they wish.